I accidentally put metal in the microwave today.
Why? Did
Not
it?
on purpose.
What happened?
That's what the word accident. Stupid. No, I was like, I had I wanted to make like this. I wanted to make something tasty and nutritious. Well, not nutritious, but tasty. It was like milk in it. I put some vanilla in it and some brown sugar, and then some cinnamon. I stirred it all together.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was pretty excited for it. Then I put it. Then I put it in a travel mug instead of like a coffee mug. Well, because there was a lot of it, and like I guess I just wasn't thinking, and I just popped it in the microwave,
Fucking idiot.
and then I walked away.
The
And
thought of doing that would never even come into my head.
what?
Oh, there's too much. I better put it in a travel mug.
Well, no. Well,
I don't even know where the travel
it
mugs
wasn't that
are.
there was too much. It was that like there wasn't enough in the mug. Like I poured it in, and I'm like, well, that's not even gonna be satisfying.
Mhm.
It's like if you want like ketchup on your burger, and they give you like a thimble of ketchup.
They give you a thimble and you go, I want ketchup, not a thimble.
No, it's like a thimble full of ketchup, and then you pour it on your
I think I
burger. But
might
it's not
complain.
enough.
I
So
might
then you
complain to the
go, and
manager if they're like, "Can I get some ketchup?" It's like, "Yeah, here's a thimble." No, give me ketchup.
anyway, let's get away from the thimble and the ketchup and back to the fact of the milk and the mug. Yeah, there wasn't enough in the mug. So, yeah, it was in the microwave, and then I like to watch my food in the microwave.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just kind of looking at it with wonder, and then I kind of heard like a weird like ringing kind of sound.
Did your mind slowly start to kick into gear then? Or were you starting to put the pieces together?
No, it didn't kick into gear until something happened.
What happened?
Till I heard giant, like a giant white spark, and I immediately realized what I was doing and stopped it.
Idiot. Mm-hmm.
It's like if you want like ketchup on your burger, and they give you like a thimble of ketchup.
They give you a thimble and you go, I want ketchup, not a thimble.
No, it's like a thimble full of ketchup, and then you pour it on your
I think I
burger. But
might
it's not
complain.
enough.
I
So
might
then you
complain to the
go, and
manager if they're like, "Can I get some ketchup?" It's like, "Yeah, here's a thimble." No, give me ketchup.
anyway, let's get away from the thimble and the ketchup and back to the fact of the milk and the mug. Yeah, there wasn't enough in the mug. So, yeah, it was in the microwave, and then I, I like to watch my food in the microwave.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just kind of looking at it with wonder, and then I kind of heard like a weird like ringing kind of sound.
Did your mind slowly start to kick into gear then? Or were you starting to put the pieces together?
No, it didn't kick into gear until something happened.
What happened?
Till I heard giant, like a giant white spark, and I immediately realized what I was doing and stopped it.
Idiot.